So we have here a Daytona 190. So this is going to be a unboxing video, and here we go. So once you open up the package, you have this really rigid cardboard. This is like really rigid. It's kind of cool. Protect the motor. And this is the overall layout. So motor comes wrapped in plastic, and it has your electrical wire harness for the ignition coil to, I guess, the controller. And then we have the intake manifold over here, pretty beefy. Something interesting to point out over here, this doesn't seem to do much. It's kind of like a weight thing. Casting is pretty smooth, and this appears to be a gouge. Should be alright. That's where the gasket material goes. Alright. Then you have some of the hardware. Got 2 screws to connect the intake manifold into the engine, and then 2 more to connect your carburetor to the other side of the flange. I suppose this guy goes like this. There you go. It's odd to know. If somebody knows what this is for, please let me know. This, to me, it's added extra weight for no reason. Anyway, moving along. So, right there, and there's the wiring harness over here, and this is actually the ignition coil. It goes to the spark plug. So once it connects to the ground, there's a lead coming from that harness over there, and this should connect to the spark plug over here. And this is your computer. It controls the ignition, timing, and spark, and maybe the charging system as well. It's neat. All right. That's it for this little box over here, and there's nothing here. Comes empty. There is a gear over there. Okay, so this is the other side of the electrical. Cool. It comes. Let's take this up out. They are a little heavy, but not terribly. All right, so what we have here, so this is where the cooler lines get connected to. I suppose you could run them this way just to break in the engine or something, so that you don't have a lot of oil going through. These spacers you're supposed to take out. They're only there for shipping. Some people think that these are like dampers for vibration or something like that, but they're actually not. At least not these ones. Maybe other motorcycles will have something like that. This is your overflow tube, in case you're doing a lot of wheelies or jumping or something, and then it sort of overflows or and then this particular engine has it comes with oil from factory, so I suppose, you know, they don't want it to get rust in shipping. Most of these things shipped by sea, so I guess this is the filter over here. Clutch. Oh, it's pretty light, remarkably light. Yeah, it does not come with a Kickstarter or an electric motor. This does not come with it. And this other side also doesn't come with the shifter, and it comes with, I don't know if you can see that or not. It comes with this covers loose. I don't want to take it off right now, but this appears to be a 420 15 teeth. 15 teeth. That's what it comes with stock. And this is a 4 speed. It doesn't say anywhere that it's a 4-speed, but I bought a 4-speed, so this is what it is. And that's pretty much it.